Bitcoin money cost pretty equivalent to $127.38 a coin, or so they most certainly thought. The present exchanged cost range, 126.04, 128.27, which truly is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 127.09, the change basically was plus 0.29. Plus 0.23%, backwards rate, United States dollars, to BCH incredibly. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which is very critical. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $133, for the most part greatest 142, fundamentally least 124 in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, walk 16, cost $141, genuinely greatest 151, genuinely least 131 in a sort of enormous manner. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, walk 17, cost $143, especially greatest 153, sort of least 133 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, walk 20, cost $148, certainly most extreme 158, sort of least 138, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $138, in every way that really matters, greatest 148, fundamentally least 128 amazingly. Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $132, by and large greatest 141, for the most part least 123 incredibly. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, walk 23, cost $129, in every practical sense, most extreme 138, especially least 120, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, walk 24, cost $130, fundamentally greatest 139, truly least 121 in a truly significant way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, walk 27, cost $129, really most extreme 138, certainly least 120, or so they explicitly thought. In about 14 days Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $127, sort of most extreme 136, beautiful least 118, especially further appearance how the change truly was plus 0.29, plus 0.23% in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $122, truly most extreme 131, exceptionally at least 113, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, walk 30, cost $120, sort of greatest 128, kind of least 112 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, walk 31, cost $121, kind of greatest 129, least 113, which basically is very huge. Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, April 3, cost $119, for the most part greatest 127, certainly least 111, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost $118, genuinely most extreme 126, lovely least 110, or so they really thought. Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, April 5, cost $121, lovely greatest 129, least 113, which certainly is very critical. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost $121, essentially greatest 129, by and large least 113, in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, April 7, cost $116, sort of most extreme 124, especially least 108 in a truly significant way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $114, extremely greatest 122, truly least 106, showing that the earlier day close, 127.09 in a really significant way. In about a month Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost $111, truly greatest 119, certainly least 103, extremely further appearance how Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, walk 16, cost $141, in every way that really matters, most extreme 151, in every way that really matters, least 131, which generally is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12. Cost $110, greatest 118, sort of least 102, which truly shows that Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $122, genuinely most extreme 131, truly least 113. Truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, April 13, cost $117, exceptionally most extreme 125, exceptionally least 109, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to BCH conversion scale fundamentally equivalent to 0.7851 coins per $100. Or so they sort of thought. Today's reach, 0.7796 0.7934 in an unobtrusive way. The past AS nearby, 0.7868, change for now 0.0017, 0.22% in a kind of significant way. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 0.752 coins. Especially greatest 0.806, really least 0.704 in a genuinely huge way. United States dollars to BCH forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost 0.709 coins, essentially greatest 0.763, by and large least 0.662. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, walk 17, cost 0.699 coins, truly most extreme 0.752. Exceptionally least 0.654, by and large further appearance, how Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they truly thought. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost 0.676 coins, lovely most extreme 0.725, by and large least 0.633, which in every practical sense, is genuinely huge. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 0.725 coins, genuinely greatest 0.781, essentially least 0.676, which in every practical sense, shows that Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, April 7, cost $116, truly most extreme 124. Exceptionally least 108 in an especially significant way. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Wednesday, walk 22, cost 0.758 coins, essentially greatest 0.813, by and large least 0.709, or so they especially thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, walk 23, cost 0.775 coins, most certainly greatest 0.833. Least 0.725 in a really significant way. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost 0.769 coins, lovely greatest 0.826 in every practical sense, least 0.719 in a sort of enormous way. Dollar